welcome to today's video where we're looking at a new camera recently purchased. And if we just open it up, and I hope it's the right one. It'd be funny if it wasn't. And there we have it, the Panasonic GH5 with new firmware installed, autofocus upgraded. Yep, some I never use. All my manuals are like on or used on manual. How do you open this silly box? Ooh, it's got optional accessories. It's got the battery grip, the microphone adapter, shotgun microphone, which has got like a fixed wire, flash, no don't, remote control, or shutter control, battery. What do you mean optional? Is the battery not included? Battery charger, AC thing, coupler, AC, an adapter. I hope the battery's included. And we have some paperwork. More paperwork I never look at, apart from once. Which version has been updated to? It's probably not the newest one. And we have a strap. The camera, we'll look at that in a minute, and we'll see what accessories we actually get with this. So, USB-C by the looks of it. Plug. Charging plate. Some weird looking plug. What's that for? Ooh, I'll have to have a look, see what that's for. I wonder what that is for. Didn't know something in the box. And we actually have a battery. Let's see when this was made. 2019 for 10th. So let's put this to one side. And we have the GH5 itself. Ooh, it's slightly bulkier. The GH4. In fact, I'm going to get GH3 out and put them next to each other, see what they're like. So there's the GH4 and the GH5, GH3 and GH5. Just slightly bigger this part here, but not by much. See, it doesn't have a flash on the top now, like on this unit. Oh, and it's got a little thumbstick. So that was the unboxing of the GH5. It comes with USB, plug, charging plate, battery, and mystery thing. And if you like that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.